angle. Is this right? Am I baking? Am I baking? What's up, DIY babes, and happy Saturday. I am currently sick and have the hiccups, so that's super fun. So my parents are officially in town. My dad has taken my vehicle and went to some kind of like car show, oh god, situation. So today, mom DIY is getting a hair makeover. Okay, so I feel like we should do like a comprehensive review of my mom's hair before the makeover. And also guys, I have to leave in like 2 minutes or else I would have just waited to start the vlog until my hiccups are gone, but we gotta leave. I'm on a time crunch, and so you just gotta put up with the hiccups for right now. So I don't know if you guys remember from Alex's vlogs, he always used to get that keratin treatment that takes his hair from like curly and coarse to really straight and smooth and silky, and it stays for like a month or two. So that's what my mom is trying today, and she's never done anything like this, and you're getting a hair makeover pretty much. Yeah. Okay, so here's my mom's hair now, and it looks good because it's straight, and also California has like no humidity, so that's like, oh god, also really helpful for like keeping hair straight. But like in Canada, this hair can get large and in charge with the humidity. Oh my god, these hiccups. So we're gonna get it keratin treated today, and actually it feels pretty smooth, but it's gonna be silky smooth. We should have like let it be puffy and giant this morning so it could be like a dramatic makeover. Oh god. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit. Hi guys, and happy Sunday. Sick Lauren is still very much present, but I wanted to give you guys an update of my mom's hair because it was like a situation where she said that it was gonna look better today versus yesterday. And also I forgot my vlog camera when we were at the salon, so there's also that. Mom, I think you're also wearing the same shirt as you were yesterday. Oh shoot. It's okay, it's okay, the people won't judge. Okay, are you ready guys for the reveal? Oh my gosh, you look like a different person. Well, it's crazy. The old person was great, but your head is like an entirely different shape. I know, it's great. Oh my glob, look at it. Look how straight and shiny. It's so soft. I just like don't understand how this is the same amount of hair that was on your head yesterday as it is today. Like it doesn't make any sense. Wait, turn around again. Oh my gosh. Oh my, is that a hair commercial turn? There it is, there it is. It looks so good. You look kind of cute with side bangs. Oh wait, do they not do that? Maybe they don't do that.
They probably don't do that.
They probably don't really do that, but they look so good. Oh my gosh, keratin treatment. Not entirely sure what kind of chemicals go into this, but whatever it is, it's worth it. So we just finished filming the funniest video. I put my parents to the test today to DIY with some of my products because I've just been feeling, you know, pretty crappy this week, and I didn't know really what I wanted to DIY. And because I've launched so many products and my parents are in town, I figured that I should put them to the test, the DIY test, and make them craft, because when was the last time you guys crafted? I feel like it's been forever.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
Okay, so 15 years?
I want to do more though.
Oh my god.
So much fun.
I know, it turned out so good. I don't want to show you guys too much because we're like pretty much done, but it'll be in this Sunday Sun DIY, but we went in on the crafting. We went in.
More.
Okay, all right, relax. Relax, talent. Yeah, Dad actually wants to do that one so bad.
I see that people tweet their final product.
I know.
That one looks fine.
I know. The problem is that it looks so much better in real life, and I can never make it look as good on camera as it does in real life, but that one is like one of my favorites for sure.
I'm thinking though the finished product won't do well in the suitcase home.
I would probably say not. Yeah, I would say probably not. Also, Moose is doing a great job of helping.
Thanks.
He found like the one sliver of light in the DIY room. My Moose. Oh, look at that happy tail. Hi guys, and happy Tuesday. So I totally forgot to vlog yesterday. Well, like not entirely. Basically, yesterday my parents headed back to Canada. They were here for a solid 6 days, but honestly, I was just like out for the count. I was so sick over the weekend. So I mean, it was like good and bad timing for my family to be here to like help take care of me and Moose and, you know, just do family things. So anyway, they're back in Canada, and last night I went to the James Charles and Morphe collab launch party, which was absolutely amazing. Literally everything James touches is amazing, and I'm so proud and so lucky to be his friend, and it was so cool. And okay guys, like when I go to these makeup events, I feel so intimidated because I just like don't know anything about makeup, and I've said that so many times. Like you would think there'd be transferable skills, but there's really not. And I learned how to bake my face yesterday via Jacqueline Hill, who was like the cutest. I've never actually watched one of her videos before. I know, I feel like the makeup guru people will like shame me for that, but her tutorial was 22 minutes and I watched all 22 minutes of that video. So I'm actually going to a holiday party tonight. I'm going to my first holiday party. It is November 13th. It's November 13th, and I'm going to a holiday party tonight. So that's a little early, I would say, but But either way, I'm excited. And also, oh my god, I tweeted about this earlier today, but the invite said that it was an ugly sweater party. I'm 99% sure. And then I just like double confirmed because, you know, I had already ordered my ugly sweaters on Amazon. And she was like, oh girl, no, it's holiday sleigh. And so then I was talking to Alicia and Remy last night, and Remy is wearing a full out gown. Yo girl has no gowns in her closet. Like, let's make this real clear, no gowns. So I have a meeting in like Beverly Hills, West Hollywood area today, and I am gonna try and find something for tonight because I'm panicking a little bit. So I'm gonna bake my face again today. It's earlier, it's 12:40 now, so hopefully it lasts. I guess this is like the true test of baking. And also, don't take this as a tutorial because I'm probably doing everything wrong, but I figure that I could do a little Q&A and we can just chit chat and I'll get ready and you guys can like kind of see how I do my makeup. It's not very good, don't take any tips from me, but that is the plan. Okay, so the first question is biggest pet peeves. I would say cockiness is my number one, just like in any human, girls and boys, partner, friend, whatever. Cockiness is my number one pet peeve. I have no tolerance for that. And then number two, I think, is inefficiency. I'm like learning this as I get older, but when people can't's not the right word. Won't? Not entirely sure what the word is, but basically inefficiency. If I feel like there's an obvious way to make something easier for lots of people that it affects, for some reason, that drives me crazy. Also, I'm gonna look crazy for most of this video, so let's just address that now. The next question is, what is my next travel destination? And I am headed to Vancouver next Tuesday for We Day, which I'm so excited about. I did We Day Toronto in the summer, and it was so much fun, so I wanted to be a part of another one. And I was really, really hoping to go back to Canada as well, because you guys know I'm Canadian, and I just like love going back. So unfortunately, there's no meet and greet portion or anything, but I'm super excited to see you guys, and it's gonna be a good time. I'm doing like a little speech, terrifying, on stage, I think, and I'm so excited. I don't really know how I got into public speaking because I hate public speaking, but I'm excited nonetheless, and I will see you guys there. So let me know if you're gonna be at We Day in Vancouver. I also love Vancouver and haven't been there in like 3 years or so. So I'll be back next Tuesday to Thursday, and I'm super excited. Yes, I know there's a ton of breakup questions, and I'll get to those. I'm just kind of swiping through what I have on my phone screenshotted. But the next question is, am I gonna be doing a house tour? And I feel like I've been teasing a house tour for so long, but guys, like, okay, so when I bought this house, it was an investment to grow into. So there are so many empty rooms still that I just haven't addressed because I just like don't feel the need to rush into anything. So I don't necessarily think that there's gonna be a house tour coming anytime soon, if I'm being completely honest, but my bedroom is pretty much done. So I've got a few more things to hang on the walls, and then bedroom tour coming at you. Then we can do like a closet tour, maybe a bathroom tour as one video. But yeah, sections of the house are done, but not the entire house. So working on it and TBD, but definitely room tour soon. The next question is, when are you releasing new merch? So in last week's vlog, I showed you guys a bit of a sneak peek of all the new designs. They're not completely confirmed yet, but they're super close. I'm actually shooting all of the final pieces on Friday for like the website and stuff, which I'm so excited about. This is like definitely my favorite merch drop that I have done yet. So we're thinking either the last week of November or the first week of December. I just want to make sure, so we're double checking the shipping times for making sure that everyone in North America can pay for regular shipping and get it before Christmas. So that's what we're working on right now. And also, oh my god, here comes the baking. Okay, here we go. Oh, is this right? Am I baking? Am I baking? I don't know. I just want to wear the same makeup every day and just use the same products and just live my life. Okay, so much powder, so much powder. I get it. I mean, Jacqueline did a great job of explaining like what's going on, that I'm literally baking it into my face with my own body temperature, which is, can't tell if it's like a little weird or a little satisfying, somewhere in the middle maybe. We bake it. I look crazy, okay. The next question is, how are you and Alex doing after the breakup? Love you. I love you too, Courtney. And obviously I can only speak on my behalf, but I am doing really well. I'm really happy. I feel healthy mentally and physically, and honestly I feel like I'm in a really good place right now, and I'm really happy with that. I mean, I think that's pretty much it, but yeah, I feel like I'm really happy. I've been super social. I've been going out a lot. I've been hanging with friends and like reconnecting with old friends, which is really nice, and you know, just focusing on work and myself and other fun things, and everything's been really good. I'm really happy. Next question from Liz is, are you doing Vlogmas this year? So I have never actually done a real Vlogmas, as in daily vlogging every day until Christmas. I personally just don't think that daily vlogging is super healthy. And I think you guys have always kind of known that I've taken that stance on daily vlogging. I'm not a huge fan, and I also just don't know how I would do with daily uploads with my mental health. And so I've always kind of shied away from it. I'm definitely gonna be vlogging the same style that I do now up until Christmas, but not, we can call it Vlogmas. It's still vlogging every day until Christmas, but I don't know, is it Vlogmas? I'm doing, okay, yeah, it's Vlogmas. We're doing Vlogmas, just not daily. Okay, so see, this is the part where I was like, am I doing this right? Okay, I just gotta stick to crafts. I really just gotta stick to crafts. I don't know why I try and evolve my makeup skills ever. Is that right? James, is this right? Is this right? Oh God, I don't know. This better stay on all night because there is so much powder on my face. And this Laura Mercier powder is not cheap, let me just tell you. Okay, so the next question is, are you dating anyone? Ooh, is that not the freaking tea? No, I don't have a boyfriend. Have I been on dates? Maybe. Am I gonna vlog about it ever? No. I think I've just realized that I don't think I ever want to have a super public relationship ever again on YouTube. I just think that there's so many stress factors to combining videos and relationships that I think that I'm not gonna do that again, which I think was a huge learning experience, you know, with Alex, both of us being YouTubers. And there's definitely pros and cons, like, don't get me wrong, but I think that I won't do that again. In the most like simple and concise statement, I'm probably never gonna do another boyfriend tag. I know that's kind of disappointing, I'm sure, for a lot of you guys, but I just think that, you know, relationships are too valuable to be exploited's not the right word, but I think keeping more stuff private is better suited towards my style of relationship. So not to say that like you won't potentially see someone on Instagram if I end up dating someone again, but don't think it's gonna ever be as public as it once was. Okay, so I think I just like leave this on my face for a little bit, right? Oh God, I just like look ridiculous. Oh, I feel like it's even fading. Do I add more? Everything is so stressful about this whole baking thing. Okay, so, oh no. Right into the bronzer. Yeah, we'll fix that later. Okay, so we're gonna leave this on to bake. Okay, and then the last question that I'm gonna answer is, do you live by yourself? Yeah, so it's just me and Moose in the house, and it's been like that for the last year. And honestly, I've lived alone now for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 years. And I honestly don't mind it at all. I know a lot of people really love having roommates, and like, girl, I definitely did my time with roommates, had some great roommates, had some not so great roommates. But personally, especially with Moose in the house now too, I love living alone. I think it's great. I think you have so much freedom, and you can just kind of live your life without worrying about having to, you know, tiptoe around someone else if things go wrong, and I personally love it. Okay, so I need full concentration to put my brows on, so we're gonna do that, and then I guess we'll just like maybe do a little time lapse of this, and we'll come back to taking the bake off, if that's, I don't know any of the terms here. Okay. Okay, lashes and brows are on. Let's brush this bake off. Oh, okay. Wow, I literally just like saw pieces of my face just like flying. Not pieces of my face, but you know what I mean. Also, this brush is so soft. Okay. Ow, that was my eyeball for sure. So much struggle. Okay, wait, but like, actually looks like pretty good. My under eyes have never been brighter. I think I gotta blend this out a little bit. It's like a little harsh, but not the worst for my second time ever, I feel like. I gotta do a little bit of blush and a little bit of highlight hair, and also fix what this is just like post shower air dried hair. It is not cute, so gotta fix that. We're gonna do a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlighter, and then hopefully this stays on my face till later tonight. Hi guys, so I made it to the benefit Christmas event, and it is like full out Christmas. Also, there's like major music. Please don't copyright me. Also, I had literally the worst shopping day of my entire life. I ended up just wearing something that was already in my closet and not super happy with it, so that did not turn out as I thought it would. But this event is so cute, and I think they're launching their holiday stuff now, hence the Christmas party in November, but everything is so cute. Like, are you kidding me right now? Look at this. This is ridiculous. This is actually outside too. It's so cute, and then we're having a dinner. I think this is maybe like all of the holiday stuff, but it's so cute. There's so much cute stuff here. I am so ready for Christmas. Here's the dinner area. I'm like not very hungry. Low-key already ate before we got here, just in case there wasn't dinner. But here's our table. Hi, Sierra. Oh my God, content, baby, content. Look how cute this is. They have a little baby champagne and then the pink drinks. Oh my God, it's all cute. Oh my God. Oh my God, this thing is called a shampong. Oh my god. Oh, it's just face right now.
Everybody, eyes up here, mother of two.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Her glass is full. Glasses in the air.
Alright, to friends with benefits.
To friends with benefit.
Oh, it's
Cheers.
like this.
Everybody sham bombs in their mouth.
Really fast.
That was so quick.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, I like it.
I felt I am beautiful, no matter what they say. This one can bring me down. So don't you bring me down. You know the words.
Today.
Yeah!
What is going on? Damien from Mean Girls is here? This is the best event I've ever been to.
We just called Yasser.
Oh man, the makeup was so good until I came home and immediately blew my nose like 5 times. I swear I just could not kick the last of this freaking cold. Also, Moose is chewing up a toy right now, so background noises by yours truly at Moose the Mini Bully. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. I feel like so much fun stuff happened and I did like an okay job at attempting at vlogging, so it was not bad. It's not bad. If you haven't seen last Sunday's video, I'll have that link down below. What was? Oh, I did like a little Instagram experiment if you want to go watch that. And I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sun DIY. I'm actually filming that tomorrow and I think I might do something along the lines of like hanging out with like maybe some Bob Ross tutorials. I'm not entirely sure. Anyways, I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sun DIY, and again I want to for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.